Sometimes life starts to feel a bit bland. Nothing really makes you happy. Nothing's that inspiring. So here's what I do. The framework I use to bring a bit of colour back into my life. It all starts at the foundations. Sure, it's great to have habits and do cool things, but sometimes you just need to make sure you're covering the basics. So, sleep. Make sure you're getting at least 8 hours a night without screens the night before, waking up at a time that works for you. Then there's what you put into your body. I feel like we don't think enough about what kinds of food we're putting in. Just going about eating pizza and carbs and sweets, but the food we eat reflects how we feel, so try and fuel your body with stuff that makes you feel good. Natural foods, food you're able to see in nature. Next, and kind of self-explanatory but really important, just get some fresh air and light every day. It sucks being inside all day, trapped in a dingy cave, so make sure you're breathing some real air each morning. Just get outside. Then finally, bring about some order. When you're surrounded by clutter, your mind is cluttered. So look around and ask yourself, not what do I want to do, but what do I need to do? Do the bins need taking out? Does the cat need feeding? Well, feed the cat. Now, once you've got all that out the way, we can move on to the pillars. The things that bring some inspiration into your life, some joy, some happiness. The first pillar is to train. Every day you need to be moving your body. Mishima said that one who only thinks without action loses balance, and physical activity brings that balance back, so move. I'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsor for today's video, Tiege Hanley. Tiege Hanley is an uncomplicated skincare system for men. Now, funny story, but even before they reached out to me, this was actually the exact system I'd used to look after my skin for the past few years now. It's a fantastic system, basically because it is so simple. So for a lot of people, what I'd recommend is their kind of stage 1 beginner's kit that they offer, which comes with the basic products that you need. So a face wash that you use every day, twice a day, this scrub that you use twice a week that just exfoliates you, and then 2 moisturizers, your AM with SPF 15, and your PM, which kind of just gives you that extra moisture that you need at night time. And I mean, it's kind of linked to the themes of this video. I find often, for me, when I get into these ruts, one of the first thing I notice is that I let myself go. I stopped doing all of these things. I stopped looking after myself as much. And so having a very simple to use, a very uncomplicated skincare routine that you can go through every day works wonders. It's a fantastic foundation for a wider kind of confidence and self-improvement routine. So if you want to check out Tiege Hanley, use the first link in the description and the comment section to get 40% off your first box and then a small gift along with that. Next, love. You need some sort of human interaction. It's all well and good being on monk mode and locking in, but you know what's better? Friends. So be with your people. You can join the group if you fancy. Then, and these two can be kind of linked, but there's learn and purpose. Basically, you want to be doing something every day that grows you. I mean, a purpose is just a fancy word for a goal, so set some goals for yourself and your life and work towards them every day. The easiest way to do this is to ask yourself where you want to be in 10 years, then where you need to be in 5 to be halfway there, 1 year to have laid the foundations, then what you can start doing this month to get the ball rolling. Then finally, suffer. A cold shower works great here. And last, breathe. Pretty much take 5 minutes to meditate. Breathe in deeply, breathe out, and when you notice your mind starting to wander, just bring it back to the breath. Simple as that. Only then, after you've done all that, well, that's where the roof comes in. The fun, the video games, the drink, the stuff that feels baseless without the foundations and the pillars, but that adds an extra something to your life when the other two are there. Manifest excellence, brother. I'm proud of you.